Quilters don't just quilt, they also repair little holes that end up in their favorite t-shirts. Okay, here we got 2 holes that I need to repair, and you can see here was an old repair. So the first thing I need to do is find a pink thread that matches. And I have what I believe to be the best choice, which is this one. Maybe I could find a lighter pink. Let's see. This one's too purpley, I think. What do you think? Too purpley. Not sure what I used last. Let me look in my bobbins. You always want to go through if you have any bobbins. Ooh, this one might. Nope, too light. I think we're gonna have to go with this one. I think that's gonna be the best choice for what I have in my stash. Then we get a needle, so let me do that. Okay, so I got a needle and I've threaded it here. But what I've decided to do is do it double threaded so that I can have somewhere to anchor when I come through, and I'll show you what I mean. So take the thread, wrap it around your finger, do a, whatever they call it, a roll it on your finger, and then pull it. So you got a little knot there, and I'm just gonna cut off the ends so there's not a lot left, like that. Then all you want to do is, I have a piece of plastic just to make sure I don't go through and accidentally sew the other side of my shirt. But I'm really just going to pick up the little stitches around the edge of the hole, kind of sew it shut. I mean, it's going to be noticeable. And then, so here's what I'm going to do before I get to the end of the double threaded thread. I'm going to go through the 2 pieces, like I can see there. Go through it. And then my knot is anchored on the inside of my shirt. And then I will pick up another one here, a little piece of it, and then another one across the way. Just one little knitted part. And do it again. And you will see it a little bit, but not like you'd see the hole before. It just keeps these shirts going longer and longer. Well, that's not very good. See how it pulled another hole? All right, so we will just keep working on that one. I'll go here, and then I'll do another. And of course, we're working on the inside of the shirt, not the outside. All right. One more, I think. Should be enough. You don't want to overdo it because then you get a big, huge knot. And I don't remember where I just kind of figured this out. And then you just kind of flatten it with your finger. Find some thread that you'd already sewed, and then pull it up until you're almost done, and then go through your loop and create a knot. Don't pull too tight. Maybe one more time somewhere. Do the same thing. Go through that loop, pull it there. Okay, so there our hole. Let's look at it and see how well we did. Perfect. You can barely tell. The hole is gone. Now we got to do the other hole. Where'd it go? Here it is. So we got to do this hole now. So I'm going to clip this, tie my knot again here, wrap it around my pointer, roll with my thumb and pointer till it goes over, under, over a bunch, pull the knot, and then I'm going to cut the ends off here. And now I have a little guy, and we'll do it again on this one. Hopefully this is in camera. Yeah. So go up through here, maybe there, and then through the double threaded thread so it's anchored, and then keep on picking up from one side and the other side. And it's nice to have the plastic because you can poke against it and you won't scratch anything, or you won't catch the back of the other side of your shirt. And I've determined this all happens because of our belts or our buttons on our pants. If the shirt is untucked, it will push against the fabric and poke little holes because the fabric is very cheap. Didn't used to happen to our t-shirts like this. It's just the poor quality of the fabric these days, which is very unfortunate. So now I've got it, I feel like it's closed enough, and I've been flattening it with my finger, not pulling super tight, but not making sure it's snug. Gonna go through this loop, pull it tight, and then do it one more time. Go through the loop. There. So let's see how that one turned out. Awesome. You can barely tell. It's way better than before, and I've got a little more life out of this t-shirt. Yay! Thanks for watching, everybody.